Alright, well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, I'm a partner today because I was in a meeting here, even though no one came here to learn English, it's okay for me. But we have a bad situation around the world who wants to talk about increase our vocabulary about English today. Alright, today I'm going to explain about, racism around the world. That I'm not talking a lot about racism around the white world nowadays, but I'm going to explain about racism in Aceh exactly. Why great Aceh when Aceh people doesn't like for beyond mountain like PD people or North Aceh, South Aceh, South Aceh, Gamis. I'm going to explain about that why these people doesn't like that. I'm not talking about Acehese, but I'm going to talking about Aceh people or great Aceh people, right? At that time, who the making that problem? You know about Snow Ugronya? Who had the man of politics, the divine empire. Divine empire made by deadline at the time in 1892 at the time. Each other, hate each other, mocking each other, and defend each other. Where are you from? I'm from PD. We don't have to intimidate us, or we have to intimidate you. You know what? We are the great than you. I'm an Aceh. I'm great Aceh. Who's making that? This is Netherlands. But still Ugronya at the time. I read paper, I read, about the books created by Snow Ugronya at the time. How we to breaking up about against people to make the politics divide empire, reveal empire at the time. I have no idea why these people doesn't like for people. I'm going to explain about why good Aceh always mocking for Aceh PD stingy people, right? Why? I have no idea why, because exactly as I know, PD doesn't stink. PD people don't stink. But this personality one, some people, we can't judge all these people from Aceh PD stink, right? Including you by yourself. With Aceh, Banda Aceh, there's people, some stingy people. Yeah, you can't judge every single people. Are you really to have stingy? No, it's not good like that. So, racist is seen in, Netherlands, when Netherlands took Aceh in March 26 in 1873, but at the time, racists have been in Aceh at the time. So, and now we don't have to raise each other. Where are you from? I'm from Middle Aceh. Yeah, we are my neighbor, you are my family. We are the same region. That's it. You don't have where are you from? I'm from Jaffa. What's that Jaffa? Don't say like that. It's not good for you. For Muslim, it's not good. It's a good thing. That's what I'm talking about. And that race is like, in my opinion, it's racist like get married, Jew and poor people, rich people. Yeah, in Muslim, in religion, we have looking for the good descendant, right? Yeah, descendant very important in religion. But in my opinion, it's including the race not only for blue eyes or black eyes and blue blood, but also races in skin color, right? Skin color is racist. Like in United States, in Africa, people in United States doesn't like for black color doesn't like for white color. But always fight each other, always mock each other. So and how to solve that depend on people. For example, we have to learn that more and more, little by little, learn that how to solve that the problem until the end of the day. In our country, in our province Aceh, learn more and more about the region, and always asking for, was a scholar, right? How to solve that. Alright, that's what I'm talking about races today. Let's get it out. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.